Call me Bucky, lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How about rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he found the hood but still gon'
My pressure?
No thanks. Can you do me a favor out there though? Can you hold this for me? For my vlog? Yeah. Can you just point it at me?
Straight like that?
Yeah, that's it, that's it. What's up everybody? Welcome to day 5 of finding Pampanga's best slice of pizza. Shout out to Ate over here for holding the camera. Let's see what happens today. Fun fact for the day, I'm currently on the NLEX, which is pretty much like a highway here in the Philippines. It's comparable to I-80 or Highway 5 in California. And something I recently learned is the NLEX or the STEX or the Skyway, and then I think there's a T-Plex as well, are all privately owned. So you have like these cards here, right? So you have these cards here that act as payment for your tolls, and since they're all privately owned, when you go to reload them, you have to have all these cards, and then some gas stations don't have both. It's convenient and inconvenient at the same time, but what really stands out to me is that these highways are privatized. It's like owning I-80. What if someone owned I-80? I mean, so I'm approaching the toll right now, or it's called an RFID. So what you do is, I'll show you, you kind of drive in under the little garage thing, and then there's a scanner thing that you have to tap, and that is how they get their payment. So this is the option that I have. Some people have like a tag that reads. It's like having a fast pass, but I have the tap thing. It's a little more inconvenient, but this is just what they gave me. So you roll up, and then you scan this thing, and then the toll raises, and then you're good to go. But just a little fun fact, if you don't live in the Philippines or you're not familiar how certain things work here, but the expressway, the NLEX, the T-Plex, it makes things a lot easier because traffic in a lot of places here in the Philippines is crazy. So if you want to save time, use it, but remember, you're driving on a privatized freeway. We're headed to Manila today. We got to drop off Carla's mom, aka Grandma. She's headed back to California. We're pretty sad, not gonna lie. Ren's gonna miss her dearly. A little bit of drama right now. Luggages are overweight, so we're trying to decide who stays and who goes. Food, perfume, pasalubong, decisions. What will we choose?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In the end, it was the Del Mondo, guys. Oh, sorry, you're not good enough, Del Mondo. Garlic and chili corned beef, you're not good enough. Nobody wants you. That's why you're staying here in the Philippines.
Call me Bucky, lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing.
We just dropped off Carla's mom to Naiya, and now we're gonna head back to Pampanga from the airport, and hopefully we can find some pizza along the way. I feel it too, and no matter what I do, I feel the pain. Yo, We made it to a pizza spot. We are here at historic Camalig in the heart of Angeles City. Let's see what kind of pizza they got. A special shout out to my brother-in-law Jad for recommending this place. He told me about it a couple days ago after he saw the series, and it's perfect because we fought through traffic from Manila to here, and this place is open late, and it's in Pampanga, so it's perfect. Shout out to you, Bayao. We decided on some pizzas. We got the Bicolandia Express, ground pork, garlic, onions, simmered with coconut milk. Wow, that sounds interesting. And then we got Dois Kapampangan, longanisa, ebon burro, onion and pickled relish. And it's called Armando's Pizza within the Camalig restaurant. Alright y'all, the first pizza's here. The Bicolandia. Ground pork, cheese, chilies. This is definitely a Filipino pizza, if you know what I mean. Oh, coconut milk. Okay. It's good, but it doesn't really taste like a Bicol Express kind of pizza. Pork's good. It's a little spicy, which is spot on for the Bicol Express pizza. Don't like the crust. If I'm to rate it, crust is a no-go. The sauce is actually pretty good. Customer service experience, great. Love being here. And then last but not least, the toppings are just okay. This one's 2 out of 5. Just some final thoughts on this pizza. If you order a pizza that is based off of a Bicol Express, you would want it a little more creamier, spicier, and maybe some fresh jalapenos or some kind of or a more apparent pepper at least. The second pizza is here. It is Dois Kapampangan. So one would say that this is a puro Kapampangan pizza. Will it be the best in Pampanga? Let's see. Okay, I know it's a little dark, but what we got on here is salted duck egg, longanisa, red onion, Filipino style pizza sauce, and then looks like some ham. Let's give it a shot. Interesting. Kind of like it. The combination of everything that's on here works. Longanisa pairs really well with the salted duck egg and the red onion, and that spicy kind of hot sauce, ketchup-y pizza sauce works well with what's on here. Is it a pizza? Not really. It feels like you're eating a sandwich. There you go. It feels like you're eating a sandwich, a flat, open-faced sandwich. Ingredients are fresh and delicious. The crust, not good. The experience and everything's great. The sauce, so-so. For what it is, it's good, but for best pizza in Pampanga, 2 out of 5. Food bonus, about a quarter mile down the road, there are some food stalls, and we're gonna check out what they're serving this late at night on a Friday night. Let's see what craziness is happening right now. Let's go.
Call me Bucky, lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How about rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of but they still respect the women? He still rolling in Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stabbed me in the back and that could never be.
It's about 4 stalls of everybody selling the same exact thing. It's crazy. And they're all competing against each other. Everybody's selling puto bongbong and babinka. And they're all wearing like different colored shirts, so it's like team red versus team green versus team purple. But there's a long ass line for team green. Team green is winning the battle of babinka and puto bongbong. Why is your line the longest?
Because we are the number 1, we are the oldest stalling here. So.
Ah, okay. So your recipe is the best.
Yeah.
So what's your secret?
It's a secret. It's why.
Go ahead, do shout out. Shout out.
Shout out kay Jasmine Velasquez Yoto.
Okay, go got it.